In today's video, I'll show you how to use group chat in Microsoft Teams and how it can make collaboration faster and easier for you and your team. Group chat is ideal when you need to communicate with multiple people at the same time without creating a full team or channel. It's great for quick discussions, short projects, or ongoing conversations. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and click on Chat from the left-hand menu. At the top of the chat panel, click on New Chat, then start by adding the people you want in the conversation. Type their names or email addresses, and once they appear, select them to add them to the group. Next, give your group chat a name. This makes it easier to find later, especially if you're part of several group chats. After naming the chat, start typing your message in the text box and send it to begin the conversation. Inside a group chat, you can do more than just send messages. You can share files, send emojis and GIFs, react to messages, and start audio or video calls directly from the chat. Everything shared in the conversation is visible to all members of the group. If you need to add more people later, click the small plus icon beside of call icon at the top, select Add People, and choose how much chat history the new members can see. You can include no history, recent messages, or the entire conversation. You can also manage the group chat by renaming it, muting notifications, or leaving the chat if it's no longer relevant to you. Group chats are flexible, easy to set up, and perfect for fast collaboration without the structure of a full team. And that's how you use group chat in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.